Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Mega Look once more. It's the same packaging as before. Alright, another beautiful Christmas themed packaging. I love it. So let's get into what's inside. Okay, so we got the, oh my gosh, we got a wig, which I'm gonna get into. But before I get to that, let's see what the goodies are in today's packaging. So there's another bag in here with goodies. Oh, and that's the last thing. So let's see what's in the goodie bag. All right, I got a pair of HD wig caps, an edge brush and comb. I got a pair of lashes, a branded Mega Look elastic headband, and finally we got one of these cute pearl clips. That's everything that came in the goodie bag. This is gorgeous. This is a 30 inches 13 by 4 transparent lace front body wave 613 wig. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at that bones. The construction, immediately to die for. It's done so well. It came with this little pre-parting in there. The lace front is lightly plucked, so you can go in and pluck it further if you want, but I love that the lace is a transparent lace. It does look very well constructed. Then there's a total of 2 combs on the inside of the cap, along with this adjustable strap, which you can make tighter or looser, depending on what you prefer. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a decent standard cap construction. 30 inches. Yeah, we're working with inches today, okay? And that bounce, that movement, it's very full and nice. It feels good. It's on the coarser side, you know, because it's been so processed and stuff, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and jump into installation.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
It's a medium cap, so that's the size we're working with. Also, definitely I need to go ahead and cut off from the sides, so that's what I'm gonna work on. I love how they gave a little curve parting in the middle. I'm definitely gonna keep that parting. I love it, but it's a full-on 13 by 4, so you can feel free to go ahead and part it anywhere within the wig.
Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Now you could definitely go in and tone this, you know, to get, you know, that ultimate ash blonde vibe, which is what I absolutely love. But you guys know I always try my best to show you when I get a like a classic 613 color, that you can rock it as is, straight out of the packaging. It still looks good. At the end of the day, it's all about preference. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, get my wax stick. You guys know the vibe. It was so easy to install, by the way. Like, I don't know, I keep on telling you guys, I don't know if you're hearing me, but listen, Mega Look has upped their wig game 100%, completely. You guys are gonna see when I remove this headband how beautiful this transparent lace is. Like, one thing I know for sure, whenever they tell you it's HD, if they tell you it's normal, if they tell you it's transparent, believe them, because it is genuinely that. Like, this lace, oh, looks like perfection. So I'm just using my hot comb to get it more laid, as you guys know. And I'm gonna keep the parting. Let me just go ahead and show you guys. You can literally feel free to part this right throughout the lace portion. because it is a full-on 13 by 4. So if you want to get creative, you'd want to do an extravagant style where you need to part the front, then you can. Okay, what I'm gonna do before I even take off my elastic band is kind of just refresh the curls, especially in the front. I really love overall. Oh my gosh, this is full. You see how full this is? That's another thing. They really do have like full wigs, you know, and they're big on inches as well, like big. And if you're looking for a gorgeous wig with inches, they got you. There is minimal shedding, so those are some strands that I got so far, so do bear that in mind. There is definitely shedding. Just get my curling iron and just refresh the curls in the front, because you know it's a body wave, so you want to have that very nice bouncy sexy body wave vibe going. What did I tell you? Where is the lace? Because it melted right away. Like, it is so melted. Like, honestly, it looks like I colored my hair and got a sew-in or something. Like, the lace is beautiful and absolutely no swoops, no baby hairs. Listen, very full, a very nice density. Gosh, this is so gorgeous. I am super pleased, like you can feel that you have a really nice full wig. The lace looks very undetectable. Mega look, you did it again. You keep on amazing me. It's the first time in a long time I've done a 613 wig from them, and I can tell you with ease, this is definitely 100% bomb upgrade. Yeah, it's definitely an upgrade from the previous one I've ever tried, which that one was a while ago. So I mean, but yeah man, them take the cake, them understand what I'm doing. I can tell you, I don't know, you guys have seen me try different wigs from Mega Look since recently, pretty frequently, and I can tell you they're creeping up on my faves list because the quality is just there. Quality over quantity all the time, and they get it, and I love that. I think this is a bomb look for the holidays or just any special occasion. Look at that, inches. Yeah, super bomb, super bomb. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. Shout out to Mega Look here, y'all did it again. You guys understand it 100%. All the specifications will be listed in my description box, as well as the direct link if you want to shop this wig. If there are any discount, anything like that, it will be listed. That's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
Suck.